One of the things I realized from analyzing the ISTE standards was just how much terminology we use as teachers to talk about our profession. It was very useful for me to define some of the words that wouldn't necessarily be obvious to somebody outside of education. Just yesterday, I was having a conversation with my wife about how hard it was to understand some of the things that she talks about when she talks about nursing. I generally leave nursing decisions or the medical decisions up to her because she understands that jargon. When I don't, I don't realize it, but when I talk about education, sometimes apparently I use some jargon that she doesn't understand. So it is useful to define the terms, but it's also really good to determine what you really need to be working towards. You see the side I have defined the ISTE standard that I was looking at. The part that I really thought was useful for this ISTE standard was that it was the reflection part. The reflection part I think is very necessary for future learning and to obviously, hopefully, obviously, to determine if your design was effective or not.